a new utility in our map monster. Okay, for this you have to go in utilities, and here you have two utilities, and one is for GMB Reviews Scraper. Okay, after selecting that, you have to provide the GMB name. Okay, exit your GMB name, and provide the campaign name and save the campaign. Okay, so you can see you can have multiple GMB names here in this box. Okay, so after that you have to select and hit the run button. Okay, so software will open up the browser, and just go to uh, Google Maps and search for your GMB, and open the reviews of uh, different visitors and scrape that reviews. Okay, as you can see, it just search for the provided GMB name. Okay, so here we have GMB. Okay, so it will go for reviews. It's just not scraping the reviews, also perform some human actions like scrolling and move mouse. Okay, so let me just show you the output here in the output folder, review scraping utility, and here is the file. Okay, so this is the name of the visitor. Okay, it gives 5 stars, and it a comment 10 months ago, and here is the URL of that visitor, and here is the text that it posts on your GMB. Okay, so these are the comments, these are the URL, and stars, time, and here is the name for the visitor. So we just scrape all the reviews on the GMB. That's it.